What's up, everybody? Mike here with Trail 7. Today I want to talk about BYOB, and no, not that kind of party. What I mean by that is build your own bundle versus a plug and play bundle, and what Trail 7 is known for. So for the past few years, we've been known for curating plug and play bundles for your vehicle. We've made a couple of changes over this past year and a half or so, and we've been releasing as slowly some BYOB, some a la carte items so you can build your own bundle. Why do we do that? Because we've realized and we've seen over the years, customers may not exactly want, or they may not want exactly how we have a bundle built with the components that we have. They'll ask, can I change the subwoofer? Can I change the amplifier? Can I change this, et cetera, et cetera. And rather than us going and reconfiguring our algorithm with our bundles, what we've done is we've deconstructed all of our parts and pieces in our bundles to be able to offer you the ability to going in and build your own bundle. So what that means is we have our plug and play bundles. That's never going to go away. This is what we do, is what we're known for, and this is what we enjoy doing. We try to curate the best parts and pieces how we see fit for the vehicle. Again, however, you may have your own customization or your own unique characteristic that you want to add to it. So taking an example, this bundle that we have here and these options here. This is a full amp bundle. This is going to come just as you see it. The amp board with the amp mounted, with the RCAs, with the pack module, with the T-harness, with the power prep, with the fuse block even mounted onto the fuse plate. Everything is going to come just as you see it here as a complete plug and play bundle. What we've done is we've taken this bundle here and we've deconstructed that. On their site, we have all of these parts and pieces listed to show something like this. You can absolutely go on to the website and grab your own bracket, which then you can choose your own amplifier, whether it's going to be a kicker amp, alpine amp, Audison amp, match amp, helix amp, et cetera, et cetera. The pack module is going to come just as it is from the manufacturer in the box. We have the brackets on the website. We have the power kits on the website. We have the RCAs with different lengths and different styles on the website. So if you wanted to go in and either take this configuration and change it, if you wanted to say, if you had your own amplifier and you don't need this full setup, then you can by all means go and grab your amp board and your pack module, et cetera, and build your own bundle, right? We've done this so that way you can have control over some building of your own. If you want to customize it, we want to be able to provide the service of offering what we feel is going to be an adequate and a good solution. However, we still want to be able to offer those parts and pieces so you can build it. And we're here to help you out with that also, right? If you don't know exactly which components that you want to build your bundle with, but you don't want the ones that we have set, by all means reach out to us, shoot us an email, and we'll help to configure something that may work better for you, different from you with power, ratio, size, et cetera, et cetera. This is just an example of an amp board. All of our bundles that we have on the site are plug and play bundles. You'll be able to find those parts and pieces individual on the site. If you need help navigating through the site to find those parts and pieces, our support team is available at support@trail7.com. Shoot us an email. That way the support team can track your emails. The entire team has visibility to it in case another team member picks up your ticket, and we can help to configure an amplifier bundle, a plug and play bundle, a speaker bundle, a head unit bundle, any plug and play bundle that we can help deconstruct and configure that to fit your needs. So we're available to help out. We're not going away with the plug and play bundles. Absolutely. We're just expanding the business to offer you all more options and to be able to better serve you. So if you'd like to pick up your plug and play bundle, or you need assistance with some a la carte items, or if you need assistance with plug and play bundle also, our support team is available. Please reach out to us at support@trail7.com, and please visit the site to check out many options at www.trail7.com. Until next time, we'll see you out there.